Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with the H01 error code on your Panasonic washing machine in 2025, you're in the right place. This error typically indicates an issue with the door lock mechanism or a motor problem, which can be frustrating but is often easy to fix at home. Today, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to get your machine running smoothly again. First things first, safety is key. Always unplug your washing machine before starting any troubleshooting to avoid electrical hazards. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check the door. Make sure the door is fully closed and latched. Sometimes, a simple misalignment can trigger the H01 code. Give it a gentle push and see if it clicks into place. If that doesn't work, proceed to Step 2. Inspect for any obstructions. Open the door and look inside for items like coins, clothes, or debris that might be blocking the lock sensor. Remove anything you find and try closing the door again. If the error persists, move on to Step 3. Perform a reset. Unplug the machine from the wall for at least 1 minute. This can clear temporary glitches in the system. Plug it back in, turn it on, and run a test cycle. Still no luck? Try Step 4. Check the power supply. Ensure your outlet is working by plugging in another device. If it's fine, the issue might be with the machine's internal wiring or motor. For more advanced fixes, you might need to access the control panel. Refer to your user manual for your specific model, as Panasonic machines vary. If none of these steps resolve the problem, it's time to call a professional technician to avoid causing further damage. There you have it. Simple steps to tackle that H01 error. Remember, regular maintenance like cleaning the filter can prevent future issues. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.